Okay, in this paper, June 2024, spreadsheet paper 3, variant 2. We start the spreadsheet, inshallah. Open and examine the file J32 giraffe.csv. This file will be used in steps 2 and 3. Do not make any changes to this file. Open and examine the file J32 citing CSV. Save this file as with a name giraffe underscore and candidate center number and candidate number. Rows 7 to 25 will show the number of sightings of the tagged giraffes in each country for 1 week in February. Rows 28 onwards show the details of all sightings for this week. Okay, we'll start open our source files. And giraffe and sightings. Okay. He said in the question paper, he said what? Do not make any changes in giraffes. Okay, and sightings, I will save it. I will save it with a new name, save as, file, save as a spreadsheet. So I will save it. Don't forget Excel workbook. With a new name. Then rows 7 to 25 will show the number of sightings of tagged giraffes. Rows 28 onwards show the details of all sightings for this week. So from 7 to 25, you will see the sightings in each country, sorry. And rows 28 onwards show the details of sightings for this week. Place your name, center number, and the candidate number and center aligned in the header. And from 28, as you see here, I have to auto fit the cells. From 28, the sites for this, for all the, for this week. Okay, what about the header? You said header, right? Header, in the header, okay. This is center aligned header, okay. I will go to add the header, center aligned. This is the header and footer, custom header, center aligned, name, center number, and is there anything else more? No. Place the text created on, followed by space, the automated date, a space, then the text at, followed by a space, then the automated time in the footer. So he didn't say in the right, in the left. I'll repeat the question again. Place the text created on, followed by the space, the automated date, a space, then the text at, followed. Okay, one by one. There is no, I will make it also, say okay. I will make also in the center. I will go to say created on, followed by a space, and he said the automated date, there is the date, this is date, and then a space, then the text at, then space, then the automated time in the footer. Time, this is time, automated time. Okay, okay. Okay, as you see here. Okay. Place a replicable formula in cell D28 to look up the species using the code and external file. Okay. Using code, this is the lookup value, and the table array from the giraffe CSV table. So go home, back, in speeches, I'll say equal VLOOKUP. Why I will use VLOOKUP? Because I check the giraffe. This is the code. This is the first column. This is the first column, extreme first column in the table array, in the sheet, or in the file giraffe. So this is the lookup value. You can find the lookup value SS1 and so on. This is, we can say that this, the VLOOKUP function, because it's vertical. Excel will search for the code top, up and down vertically. So I will go, and also I will find the species here. Okay. Take care, VLOOKUP. And then let's say this is my lookup value, table array, comma. Go to your table array. You can select this. Okay, using species is a column indexing 3, and then okay. And then the status, I said replicable, so I will repeat this. So place replicable formula. There is no absolute cell reference because it will repeat it, okay? And in cell F28 to look up the status using the code and the external file to replicate the formula, enter in steps 2 and 3. The same equal VLOOKUP. Okay, then lookup value, the same code, then this is the lookup value, then go to table, choose a table array, and then status is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6, comma, 6, comma, exact match. I'll check this again. 3, comma, exact match. Okay, and I will repeat these steps and this one. And all of it again to display all the text. Then he will say, okay, replicate the formula. Okay, place in cell B3 a formula to count the total number. The total number is the count of total number of citing for this 7-day period. Okay, I will go to B3. B3. This is B3. Mhm. This is B equal count A, and then what should I count? I will count all these range, all the citing this week. Okay. Sorry, 7-day period. Okay. Then he will ask for number of critically endangered sightings with photograph. So the question, next question, place in cell B4 a formula to count the total number of sightings for this 7-day period where a photograph of critically endangered species was taken. Okay. So we'll use count if placed in cell B4 a formula to count the total number of sightings for this period where a photograph of a critically endangered species was taken. So I have two criteria, count, oops. Then I will go to the first criterion, the first range status. comma. I need the criteria of it. So I will write the text. Having okay. You have to check the spelling. Okay, then the next criteria. Yes. Okay. And then place in cell before a formula to count the total number of sightings for this 7-day period where a photograph of a critically endangered species was taken. I did it. Insert a new row between rows 5 and 6. Place in A6 the text critical endangered. Okay. Of course, if you want to insert between 5 and 6 another row, so you have to select 6 and then right click insert. Okay, and then you will write these texts here. Anything more? Okay. Please this in cell A6, right? Yes. Place a replicable formula in cell B8 to display the number of sightings of a critical endangered species in this country. So I will use another count ifs. Okay. Of course, I have to tell you, because the recording stopped, I have to go back and make it unsure formula, and then make that. As a question paper, again, sightings were okay. And he will ask us to do what? He said in this step, select row 1 to 7 inclusive and only the rows between 8 and 26 were citing look, place took place, which means not equal to 0. So I have to select this range to filter these number of sightings and not display the 0 sightings. Okay, so I have to go to home, filter, and then go to these numbers of sightings, go doesn't equal 0. Okay, we have to take this screenshot under that previous window also, this screenshot and also this one. Take them again. Okay. So we'll go to evidence. This evidence. I can put this one. Then the other one here. And we have to display all things that you will understand that I do everything accurate. And the other thing he said, take screenshot for this range between 8 and 26. Take screenshot of this method, use that to select these rows between 8 and 26. Place this screenshot in your evidence document. Only he needs the screenshots of between screenshots, not printing. Okay, this is the methods. Okay, how the method as we did print selections showing the values. Make sure that the printout fits on the single page. The printout is portrait and so on. So I have to go to Control P and then go to portrait and selection. I didn't select, right? Yes. Okay, I will select from 1. Please, Control P, and then selection, and then portrait, and then we can, he asked us in the question, let heading and row and column heading display, and then page we can increase to 150 to make it more visible, and then print values. Okay. So that's it. And this exam, the same, most of these questions, the same as exam June 2024, paper 3, variant 1. Good luck.